just beginning. Life is getting lighter while the days are getting brighter, yeah. And it's a good, I won't even worry anymore. Took all my cares, still kicked them all out the door. Go on and try, come and tell me what you're waiting for. Move, keep going till your life is overflowing, yeah. I do a dance of victory, 'cause now I'm living good, no I'm not living like I used to be. Now talk about things, talk about my mind. Now I'm free from the words that I left behind. I gotta jump for joy and shout aloud and make a sound. Oh, the world can stop me now, no. And on the music I will ride on the beat. When I guitar I won't stop on my feet, yeah. I gotta celebrate life and get excited about good times, good living. Come on, shout it out, hey. Take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm free of my soul and now you got me singing, oh. I'm feeling fine, smiling big, feeling right like I should. Life is better than good, yeah, you got me singing, oh. Hey, oh. I'm standing up on top of the world tonight. Everything's working out just right. And while the world is spinning, it's a brand new beginning, and I'm finally winning. Hey, so take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm freeing my soul, and now you got me singing, oh. We gotta be the best we can be. And there's sometimes we don't wanna, still we gotta chase our dreams. Reach up and reach high, because we're gonna pull through. And give it all we got, even though it can seem hard to. Catch and make it happen, but we can't start sliding. Come on, and do what you gotta do to fight on. And so no matter what comes your way, nothing can ruin your day or even wipe a smile away. And by the time I'm up and out of my bed, I got 100 new ideas floating around in my head, with the hope for tomorrow, a dream that I can see of all the awesome things the great people we could be. Or maybe by the music or the songs that I sing, I'll change the world with the simple message that I will bring. All I know is that it's out there, there's more to discover. A lot of good things we can learn from one another. Gotta celebrate, laugh, and get excited about good times, good living. Come on and shout it out, hey. Take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm free of my soul, and now you got me singing, oh. Hey, oh. I'm feeling fine, smiling big, feeling right like I should. Life is better than good, yeah, you got me singing, oh. Hey, oh. I'm standing up on top of the world tonight, and everything's working out just right. And while the world is spinning, it's a brand new beginning, and I'm finally winning. Hey, so take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm free of my soul, and now you got me singing, oh. Hey now, come on, let's go. The music's playing, I've got to move on, to go out, no more delaying. Pack my things up, carefree, adventures waiting. I'm heading out to see the rest of the world. Yeah, yeah, so kick it up, stir it up, alive will make you feel. Rest or set with no regret, make sure to keep it real. The possibilities right in front of me, oh, all the things that I could be, got me feeling free. Yeah, so turn it up and shout it out, 'cause you got something to shout about. And let the world just spin around as you go on and make my round. And throw your hands up and put them up high, walk a new path and go on. And let the cats fly by. And if you take some time to ask me why you always see me with a smile, I'll tell you that life is great, life is great, life is good, life is beautiful. You gotta give it all you got, everything you got to give. Time to shine, time to live. Life is great, life is great, life is good, life is beautiful. Now you're living out your dream with your hopes up high. Your only limit is the sky. Standing in a brand new place, I feel the sunshine on my face. The weather's good, the day is bright. I watch it turn from dark to light and keep the music going, keep the good times rolling. And now I'll never let it stop, you'll only find me growing. Come on and sing out a song and don't be shy, 'cause you'll never know till you give it a try. Colorful life, good work, the hard to bring the day, a brand new start. And once you go up, you never come down. Like you walk around in the air with your feet far off the ground. And if it takes some time to ask you why, I always see you with a smile. And tell me that life is great, life is great, life is good, life is beautiful. You gotta give it all you got,
Yeah. Lamp City. They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? I think not. When he started off, I was just a kid and a mess up. From first grade on, I was fucking all my tests up. When I got to second grade, shit was all messed up. Of course they got divorced, but still God blessed us. And still I managed to take apart the damage and put it all together like some cheese on a sandwich. Middle school was tough, man, I thought it never ran. Now the kids who picked on me are like my best friends. So it's weird how your life changed, but it's alright, man. Started smoking weed, so I thought about my life, man. And what it all comes down to in the end is the little things you do and the stupid shit with friends. I'm plotting my revenge at these stupid ass teachers, cause I ball in the game and they sitting on the bleachers. Can you hear me now hollering my raps to your students? Wasn't my choice, man, I really had to. They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? I think every single weekend was the same. We would ride around and cruise. Got my first car fucked up from breaking all the rules. We would speed around at night cause we had nothing to lose. Now I walked around a lot and I felt some more shoes. Spray painted, don't stop believing on all the stop signs. Got my first F and my mom's wouldn't stop crying. Wonder if I took it back, I'd do it any different. Fuck that, cause I'm still here living. I'm still no different. I'm trying to have some fun while you working 9 to 5s, cause you trying to have some fun. While you living on the same shit. Look at me, it's easy to change quick. I was harassed by the asshole jerk-offs, but you're telling your friends you can't take a day from work off? I'm kinda liking where this bike is going. Took for me to almost die to figure where my life is going. Slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? I think not. And what it all comes down to in the end, and what it all comes down to in the end, and what it all comes down to in the end, and what it all comes down to in the end. Yeah. If you think about it, dog, you ain't living it. Something's messed up, you gotta do something different. Stressed out over an A or a B. Kids killing themselves, man, I'm enraged by what I see. You gonna sit there and watch your dreams shatter? You gonna hit the plate and be a home run batter? That's cliche, well I'm just trying to live it up. And oh yeah, one more thing, I don't give a fuck. They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? I